This conference will now be recorded.
Today we see date type and date type selection rules. Date type selection rules. Did you see it anywhere? Have you seen this anywhere? Date type and date type selection rules.
No, sir.
Have you seen the selection rule? See, when you go to the work schedule generation PT01, okay, you generated this work schedule yesterday. Ours is 49 and 90. This one display. Okay, so here there is a holiday class whenever there is a holiday as per the calendar. Second Saturday and holiday here and then holiday here. If you notice, for every holiday there is a date type assigned. There is a date type assigned. Wherever there is a holiday, there is a date type. Wherever there is no holiday, there should not be any date type. Okay, wherever there is a holiday, there is a date type. Wherever there is no holiday, there is no date type. So what is the importance of the date type? The date type is a number. From 0 to 9. It's a number between 0 to 9. Okay, it's a number between 0 to 9. What it does? It determines the pay policy. It determines pay policy or a payroll. Payroll or a policy, whatever it is, both are same. Payroll or a pay policy of each and every holiday class. Holiday class. It determines pay policy or payroll for each and every holiday class. For each and every holiday class. Okay. So here you can also say it groups holiday classes which have common payroll or pay policy applicable. It groups holiday classes which have a common payroll or pay policy applicable. Okay. See, date type 0 is work according to work schedule, hours, and get paid. So this is assigned to which holiday class? Anyone? This rule is for which holiday class?
So regular working hours.
I'm asking about holiday class. When I ask about holiday class, it is a number again, 0 to 9. So this rule is applicable to which holiday class?
So what?
Holiday class 1 means what? Anyone? Is it a holiday or not?
No holiday, sir.
Normal paid public holiday, sir.
It's a paid public holiday. On paid public holiday, do we say this?
I think zero, sir. Zero only.
Work according to work schedule hours first and get paid. Is this rule applicable to holidays or working days?
Working days.
And working days holiday class is what? Holiday
Zero.
class for the working days is 0.
Zero.
Day type 1. No work. But paid for the plan working hours. This payroll is applicable to which holiday class? It can be anything. Okay, it can be 1 to 9. Clear? Day type 2. No work, no pay. Very rarely you see unpaid public holidays in any company. I did not see this unpaid public holiday in any implementations. I have implemented almost 17 time projects and currently working 2 time projects. So all these 19 projects, we do not have this scenario. No work, no pay scenario. Very rarely. Okay, you take any holiday class for this. So in my company, I'm using the holiday class 0 for the working days, normal paid public holidays, 3 for religious holidays, second Saturday holidays, and 5 for religious public holidays. Some other holiday, there is a special holiday like this. I'm using the holiday classes. But payment wise, all these 4 are same, no difference. So how many day types do you need to use? The same pay policy, no work but paid for the regular plan working hours. Same pay policy for these 4 holiday classes. Whatever the holiday class is, then why did you take a separate holiday class? It's for some other reason, not for the payroll. It's for absence counting. It's for something else. Okay, there is a different treatment for a particular holiday. You have taken a separate holiday class, but payroll wise, every holiday is same. Then what should we do? How many day types you need to use in this scenario?
Sir, if it is
0.
only for the payroll purpose, 0 and 1 is required, sir.
0 in 1 is required.
Apart from payroll purpose means we need to segregate. As you said, there will be some religious days, so that if the employee is working on that day, the pay will be 120% or 150% like that. To segregate like that, we need to give the different groupings.
Let's say religious holidays are paid extra. There are religious holidays I grouped with the holiday class 5, paid extra. So you can use any number between 3 to 9 for the day types. So totally you have policy 0, you have 3 to 9, any number. So while writing the rules, pay rules in a time evaluation and payroll, we use a day type to identify paid public holidays. Okay, we use a day type to identify the paid public holidays. If the day type is 0, okay, it's a working day. So check if employee worked or not. If worked, pay him. If not worked, don't pay him. Day type 1 on the day, what does it mean? Don't check. You don't need to check if employee worked or not. If there are shift hours 8 hours, pay for the shift hours 8 hours, even if employee does not work. If employee works, make it as a overtime. Okay, like this. So assignment of holiday date type to each holiday class in a calendar. Each holiday class is configured using date type selection rules. Assignment of date type to each holiday class is configured using date type selection rules. Date type selection rules. Okay. So where did we use it? We used it here while configuring the work schedule rule. While configuring the work schedule rule, you remember I asked you to maintain 01 here. Rule for date types. Clear? Rule for date types. So this is the number, this is the rule defined somewhere that determines date type applicable to each and every day in a calendar year depending on holiday class. Okay, check it. How do we configure and where do we configure this? You see there is a node here, date type. Okay, define the date types that you are using in the system in implementation, maintain them. 0 work then only paid, 1 time off paid, time off unpaid, 3 to 9 any special. You create all date types here. Even if you don't create them, that's fine. But this is where define selection rules, date type selection rules. The 01 you assigned here in the work schedule rule is configured here. Look at this. This is the one assigned to your work schedule rules earlier. Okay. Someone configured like this, it'll the first digit will never have. These are all incorrect entries. Holiday class 0, date type 0, holiday class 1. Okay. Now look at this. How do we configure the date types? Go to new entries. Okay, go to new entries. Take some number. Let's say I'm taking 55. 55. Okay. Here there are 3 columns. There are 3 columns. First column is a rule for Monday to Friday. The second column is a rule for Saturday. Third column is a rule for Sunday. Is a rule for Sunday. Okay. In each column there are 10 positions, 10 digits. These 10 digits are holiday class positions. Okay, these 10 digits are holiday class positions. You need to place the date type in that holiday class position. Which holiday classes are you using? Let's assume in my calendar I have 0, 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, so keep only those holiday classes here. In the place of 2, keep space. In the place of 4, keep space. These are the holiday classes you are using. Okay. Now, how do we configure the date type? How do we configure the date type? Holiday class 0, date type also blank. Holiday class 1, date type 1. Holiday class 3, date type 1. Same position. Holiday class 5, I want to pay some extra amount for the special holidays. And the special holidays are identified with the holiday class 5. So I keep some number date type. Holiday class 7, date type 1. Okay. And Saturday also same rule applicable. Sunday also same rule applicable. Clear? It doesn't matter if you give any number between in other digits positions, because you are not using that holiday classes in your calendar anyway. But what holiday classes you are using in your calendar and what is the pay policy applicable to that holiday classes is something you need to identify. Okay, and then keep date type in that holiday class position. This is a holiday class 0 position, holiday class 1 position, holiday class 2 position, holiday class 3 position, holiday class 4, holiday class 5, holiday class 6, holiday class 7, holiday class 8, holiday class 9. So how does the system assign the date types? Go to your work schedules. Go to your work schedules. Go to your work schedules. Here, rule for date types, I'm keeping 55, which is just I created this one. I just created this one. Okay. So if I change any of these fields, what is the next step? Anyone?
Need to generate the work schedule once again.
Need to generate the work schedule. These three, I change it. So you need to regenerate them. So observe this. I'm going back to keep it open. Now go to PT01. Okay, go to PT01. For 5 months I'm generating. Okay. Look at this. This is how it assigns. First, what it checks is what is a weekday. Put it here. And what is a holiday class? What is a holiday class of the day? Put it here. And for these two combinations, what is the date type? And assign it. If you look at this, when the system generates a work schedule, what is a weekday here? Friday. It's Friday, right? Okay. What is a holiday class on Friday? 1. Holiday class is 1. So Friday means which column is applicable in this? Which column? Which one of the 3 columns for Friday?
First column.
First one. Date type
First
will be
column. First column. And what is the holiday class here? 1. In this column, in the holiday class 1 position, what date type is there? This is the holiday class 0, holiday class 1 position, holiday class 2 position. We have a 1. System assigns a 1 here. Okay. On Saturday, what is the holiday class? On Saturday, what is the holiday class?
Blank.
Zero.
Blank means 0.
0.
This is Saturday. Okay. Saturday, and it is 0. So what is the date type? When it is a Saturday, which column is applicable?
Second column, sir.
Second column.
Second column. In the holiday class 0 position, what date type we have? In the holiday class 0
1.
position, what date type we have?
0 only, sir.
0.
It is blank.
So blank is assigned. You look at this. On this day, again, 9th of January, it's a Saturday. Holiday class 3 is there. Second column. In the holiday class 3 position, what date type is there? 0, 1, 2, and then this 3. For example, for Saturday, if any holiday falling on Saturday, holiday class 3 comes on Saturday, then assign a date type also 3. Okay, assign date type also 3. Check it. What happens? If it is a second Saturday, I'm paying a different rate. If it is a second Saturday, I'm paying a different rate. So I have to take a different date type. So I have taken 3 here. Look at this. Saturday and holiday class 3. It's a Saturday, second column. In the holiday class 3 position, we have a date type 3. This is holiday class 2 position, holiday class 1 position, holiday class 0 position. Done. Next, on Sunday, I don't have a holiday class. So this column is applicable for Sunday. Holiday class 0 means date type 0. Okay. Clear? Is it clear?
A little bit confusing, sir. We were created that 55 code in that data type, sir, right, sir? In that earlier we used you wrote that 0 to 9, but you were rewritten to 1131 like that. So
What is
there
that
it
0
is.
to 9 I have written there?
So it is the code, sir, class.
Why did I keep
Doubts on the project said it will only discuss it once the funds have been.
Why did I keep here like this?
Classification, sir. On weekday.
Just to show you that these are holiday class positions 0 to 9. Clear?
Okay.
Okay. We have a 10 holiday class positions. Just to explain you that there are 10 positions, these are holiday class positions. Holiday class 0 position, date type blank. Okay, date type blank. Holiday class 1 position, date type 1. Are you using a holiday class 2? No. So no date type. Holiday class 3 position, date type 3. Holiday class date type 1 on normal working day. Holiday class 4 position I'm not using. Holiday class 5 I'm using. Then what is the payroll? It's one only. Okay. And the holiday class 677 are you using? 6 I'm not using, keeping it blank. In the place of holiday class 7, what date type? Let's say I'm paying extra rate. Then I use this. Just to tell you this, that these are the positions of the holiday class, you are keeping the date type in the holiday class position. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
You just need to mention you are not placing a holiday classes here. These are 10 positions of the holiday classes. Keep the date type in the holiday class position. So that would be the date type for the day. This is the formula. If you have this formula, you will understand. Suppose on February, look at this. This is Monday. What is a holiday class on Monday? What is a holiday class February 1st?
0.
0,
0, sir.
right? So Monday 0. So which column is used
First
in
column.
this? First column is used. The first column is used. Oh, sorry. The first column is used. In the place of holiday class 0, what data did we maintain there? What data did we maintain there?
Zero.
0.
We left it blank, sir. 0.
Next, Tuesday. Tuesday. And with the holiday class 1, the day is a Tuesday. Which column is applicable?
First
The
column.
Second column only.
column. So Tuesday holiday class is what? 1. So in the place of 1 holiday class 1 position, we kept day type 1. So this 1 3s 1 3s are day types. We are keeping them in the positions of the holiday classes. In the positions of the holiday classes. Or else you take it like this. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. If my holiday class is 0, okay, day type is also blank. Holiday class 1 day type 1, holiday class 2 day type I'm not using holiday class 2. Okay, 4 I'm not using, 5 I'm using, 7, let's say 9 day type 9 I'm using. This I'm not using. This holiday class, this holiday class. So what we need to do is just copy it, paste it. Right? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So rule for date types is important when you are implementing time management, and it plays crucial role. It plays crucial role when we implement time management. Here, rule for date types. So it is an interview question. It is a definite interview question. Holiday class is interview question. Date type is interview question. DWS class. Why use it? Give me an example. Okay. Practice this for today. So how many date types you need to take in your implementation? Payrolls. Take the payrolls of all holidays. Okay. You have a holiday calendar with you. You have a holiday calendar with you. So take that holiday calendar, ask the customer, ask the client. So how are you paying on this holiday, that holiday? Check each and every holiday and write it. Okay. You write payroll here. How is it paid? Is it paid 100%? Overtime valuation on this holiday, OT valuation, normal working valuation on this day. Everything you mention. Are there any special payrolls applicable on this festival holiday? Take them. This will give you how many data types you need to use in implementation. And if there is a special rule, if there is a special payroll, definitely you have to take a holiday class differently. Then only we can assign a data type differently. Okay, then only we can assign a data type differently. Is that clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then. Catch you tomorrow.
Thank you,
Practice
sir.
it for today.
Have a nice day.